Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a comparison of my two standard Modernuses from 1937 on the right and 1951 on the left. So, yeah. We'll first start with this one. As you can see right here is the standard Modernus. You can see on the other one it just says standard. And both of the travelways look similar to each other. There's a tiny difference on them. This one is a little bit longer. This one's a little bit, actually the siphon jet and the trapway are a bit farther from each other on this one than this one. So, yeah, that's the difference, if you're wondering. This one appears to have some kind of porcelain lip over here, but this one does not have it, which is the 1937 one. This is the 1937 one. This is the 1951 one. And as you can see, this one has appeared to be having a horn, but this one does not. But if you look, this thing does not have a P something on the sides here, but this one appears to have it. This is P7 right there. But this one also appears to have the patent date when they started making them, June 23rd, 1931. But this one, they don't have it. And by the way, they both have glaze in the waterline, which is good. See a little difference here, the same thing I mentioned a bit earlier. This one has a lip and this one does not. This one has a porcelain lip, and this one does not. This one has a horn and this one does not. So yeah. The color is pretty much the same. I would say the same kind of white. But except that this one was made in C51, which means it was made somewhere in California. I'm not sure. But this one was made in P7, which means it was made in Richmond, California, or San Pablo, California. They're both are great toilets. Here's the underside on both of them. You can see there that there's a little difference. Again, this is the 1937 one. Again, this is the 1951 one. And they're both stamped F3250. This one says a 2 F2 F3 250 as well. And then there's a 91 aside from that. But this one, there's like a 126 aside from that too. And it says C51 for this one. August 30th, 1951. This one, for this one, it says Made in USA. And it says April actually. Does it say April? Yeah, it says April. It says April 20th of 1936, so this one has a misprint. I can tell that this toy is made in 1937 because it says P7 on the back, so yeah. But if you look closely, guys, this has a much longer porcelain barb, whatever you call it, than this here. Same thing with the back of it. It has a longer porcelain edge, I mean. In this one here, I believe. But yeah. But this also has a barb, but this one does not have a barb in between. So, yeah. Those are the differences. But this one has a horn, but this one does not, as you can see right there. You can tell, right? Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. And by the way, these toads are in good condition fairly, which is I like about them. Yeah, they both have glaze in the bowl, which is nice, but yeah. Thank you all for watching. See y'all next time.